Hi, I'm Rob Winker, Product Marketing Manager for Stratasys Americas. Today I want to talk to you about the nylon family of materials. We have three unique materials of nylon, and we're going to look at the key characteristics from each one. So the first station we'll look at is the flexibility station, and this really highlights the key attribute of the nylon 12 material, which is its ability to flex and be distorted without breaking. So this first sample here is a nylon 12 test piece, and you can see that it can be easily flexed and distorted, and it comes back to its original position without fracturing. The second one is the nylon 12 CF, which is a filled material, and it's an extremely stiff material, so it's difficult to flex and bend that material. The last one is our nylon 6, and that's kind of in between the stiff and flexible, where you can deflect it, but it still takes a lot of force to do that. So the key here is the nylon 12's ability to be stretched and deformed without breaking. Some of the key applications where you might use something like that is a high vibration application, maybe in a functional test where you're testing a component on an automobile or something that has vibration in it, so the part can stand that load and those loads without breaking. Here we're at the deflection station, and we're really highlighting the high strength and stiffness of the new nylon 12 CF material. With this station, we can showcase that stiffness and strength by putting a 5-pound weight on the nylon 12 CF cantilevered beam, and you can see that it deflects about a 1/4 inch with that weight. If we move that over to our nylon 6, which is not quite as stiff as the CF, we get about a 1/2 inch deflection. And if we move it over to the nylon 12 material, which has a high elongation of bend, it bottoms out the test fixture. So if you're looking for applications that have high stiffness requirements and can take heavy loads, things like manufacturing fixtures, nylon 12 CF is a perfect fit. And we get that characteristics because of the chopped fiber within that nylon material. For the last station, we're going to highlight one of the key characteristics of our nylon 6 material. With this one, we have an impact demonstration and showcasing how a steel shot dropped from a height onto a test coupon will actually demonstrate the impact absorption of the material. So with this sample was a nylon 12, and you got quite a bit of bounce out of there, so it's not absorbing that much of the impact. With this test swatch, this is the nylon 6 material, which has an amazing impact resistance characteristics, and if we drop the ball, you can see how the test coupon actually absorbed that impact strength, or absorbed that impact. So nylon 6 is commonly used for snap fits, things that have to be put together like a wiring harness, and it's commonly used in automotive applications. It's actually the highest used nylon material in manufacturing today. With Stratasys nylon family of materials, you can choose the right material for your application, whether it be a flexible material, a high strength and stiffness material, or an impact resistant material. Choose the right material for the job.